Hey everybody, David the AI Guide here. Welcome to the AI Guide, where we're making AI human by focusing on the human impact of AI and other exponential technologies. So we knew it was going on, we just didn't have any written public proof of it. But today, just breaking this past week, here we go. A Battlefield AI company says it's one of the good guys. Helsing AI is building an operating system for warfare and says it'll only ever sell them to democracies. I'll have a great point on that later in the video. This is the first time a defense tech company, Helsing AI, has shown a journalist what the software it's selling actually looks like. Helsing's flagship system absorbs huge amounts of data generated by sensors and weapon systems used in modern warfare. Algorithms then distill that info into a video game style visualization to show how events are unfolding in real time on the battlefield. So Helsing has two CEOs. One is preoccupied with the user experience and making the platform intuitive for its military clientele. This is a critical aspect of all software design, is UI experience. The other CEO is a former special advisor to Germany's Ministry of Defense. And then finally, the in-house AI expert and chief product officer is 31-year-old Nicholas Kohler. So the two CEOs are in their 40s. Kohler was using machine learning to solve medical problems when he started to be approached by figures in the defense sector. And by the way, Helsing is only 2 years old. Applications like detecting drones are, in terms of methods, not so dissimilar from how you would find cancer in large CT scans, he says. The Helsing founders say their software can give Western militaries an edge in information. Its system, they claim, will help soldiers make faster, better informed decisions and will be accessible on a variety of devices. Now, all of this is done manually at present. Understanding how many systems there are, what they're doing, and what their intent is, this is an AI problem, and it's perfectly suited to AI. Traditional defense firms have struggled to deliver these kinds of systems. Another comment later on that. Creating an opportunity for tech companies to step in. So in addition to Helsing, which is in Europe, California-based Anduril has developed software that connects multiple military systems. And then there's another company called Palantir in Colorado, using AI applications to help analyze what part of the electromagnetic spectrum frequency to use and what part to jam is critical on the battlefield and very powerful. And they're talking about a Helsing system here. So everyone knows what's happened in Ukraine. They're talking about how billions of dollars in military aid is flowing from European countries into the Ukraine. Military spending on the continent has jumped to Cold War levels. So it's not surprising that AI is now taking center stage in military situations. Venture capital is following suit, with funding for UK defense tech doubling from 2021 to 2022, post-invasion of Ukraine. The CEO of Helsing is now speaking. Before the war, people told him it would be a struggle to raise money for defense tech and that he definitely wouldn't be able to hire the talent he needed. The best engineers won't work in defense. That didn't turn out to be the case at all. They go on to say that a lot of people are biased against helping the defense industry. So Germany is just one country Helsing claims military contracts with, along with the French and British. Since the Russian invasion of Ukraine, the company has also signed partnership deals with some of Europe's most established defense contractors to integrate AI into existing weapons systems. This is meant to illustrate the companies pledge never to sell their software to autocratic governments because AI is to serve democracy. So let me make that comment I was going to make. The big flaw in that thinking is it's only hard to invent it the first time. Once someone invents it, other people are able to copy it very quickly. It was like when the first person broke the 4-minute mile, and then literally within months, 10 other people did it. Real, the CEO of Helsing, says, if we want to live in open and free societies, be who we want to be, and say what we want to say, we need to be able to protect these societies. That's why we decided to jump into defense tech. We really, really value privacy and freedom a lot, and would never do things like facial recognition, but other people are. The company only wants to help militaries recognize objects, not specific people. There are certain things that are not necessary for the defense mission. That's certainly true, right? There's things that a repressive government would use, like facial recognition, that really don't have a direct application right now in battlefield situations. Yeah, so here's my other comment. There is a huge difference between what this company, Helsing AI, is doing to create situational awareness, is what they call it. Hyper-awareness of what's happening across a battlefield. Why? Because battlefields are extremely chaotic, right? You've got people actively trying to kill each other, and people do unexpected things, and what's happening in a battle can shift very, very quickly. That's completely different than using AI to manage weapon systems, and that needs serious regulation. Thanks so much for tuning in. Click the link below to get your free AI resource. Be prepared for AI to dominate your career path. This resource will help you learn more about AI and get you prepared for that. Thanks so much for tuning in. Please like, subscribe, and share. We really appreciate our subscribers. We continue to push closer and closer to the magic 1,000 number. Thanks so much. Take care. Bye.